we finally drop a bird? Stay tuned to find out. All right, we got hole 13, par 4, 420 yards. Driver off the tee box, wind right into the face. Struck well, great result with the wind right into the face there. It's like 98 yards into the wind again. This is an awkward lie below my feet. I'm just going to basically take a full rip of this. I think the wind's going to eat it up and it should land nice. Oh, we're in business. That was nice. That was crispy right there. That one tricked me. It looked really good, but it was just deep. Left me about 10 feet. Classic shorty. That's a par. Thanks for watching Teeny Teen Time. Make sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe for more content.